Hey everyone, I hope you are well. Welcome to Backspace. This introduction video provides a clear and systematic explanation of how to insert a comma in Microsoft Word using correct and standard typing and formatting methods. Although inserting a comma may appear single, proper uses and placement are essential for grammatical accuracy, readability, and professional documents presentation. Many users encounter issues with missing commas, incorrect spacing, or inconsistent punctuation, particularly when working on formal documents, academic assignments, reports, and professional correspondence. This tutorial addresses those challenges by demonstrating accurate technique for interesting commas and maintaining correct formatting within Microsoft Word. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now here the assignment. Now I write something. Now you want to add comma, go on your keyboard, then go down on the M side. Here the comma, you can press comma to get this comma. Otherwise you can get the apostrophe comma on side on L. Otherwise the clone etc. here on keyboard. You can use any comma on your keyboard. Now I am press comma on my keyboard. Now we can see we add comma to word very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the important many video easily. Thanks for watching.